I bought this Extreme Mini Game Box 8-bit entertainment system from eBay. I don't know what makes it extreme, but it was sold as faulty, and apparently it just doesn't work. The description didn't say a lot. I'll pop it up there. Well, let's test it. There's not a lot to it. Doesn't look very extreme to me. Why is the focus going in and out? Concentrate. Focus power. Looks like it's powered from micro USB. And it's just a HDMI dongle thing, which doesn't appear to want to go in properly. Looks alright. It's just a bit snug. Why is it not focusing? I have no idea why my camera won't focus, but it's not coming on. Let's see if it's drawing anything. Right. Let's see if it actually draws any power. Yes, it does. 0.19 amps. So it is possible that the thing is working, but that it's got a display issue. Only one way to find out. Let's try and take it apart. And yeah, you guessed it. No visible screws. Right, let's try and work this out.
This mini box is extreme, just like these bars, yo. Seller says it doesn't work without more info, no. LPS is gonna struggle, sorry for the hashtag spoiler. BOS, he never struggled. Can I get a hashtag Hoyer? Big thanks to Andrea Facio, the original Western Sons, Jamrag, Adam Taylor, Tidder, Inflim, Jonathan Wiggs, Fred Chauvier, Nidhuega, Jonathan Harden, A1 Bass, Pappy Wappy, Daft Willie, Toxic Shadow, Aaron Marks, Markovitz 19, Mick Adams, and Darren Kelly. And don't forget the guy with the always rude selection, not gonna catch me out, cause he's got an erection. Ellis, Garbutt, Enmo, Tinman, Oz Newton, and Varoki, Emilio, Hereda, Ben Rush, and Wanjockey, just like the Office Finchy. I'm nearly done firing off these rhymes like a submachine gun. All that remains is Flux and someone called Joe. Oh yeah, that's it, the Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace.
Oh, well, that's it. Apart. That feels a bit loose. Let's take these screws out. Right, well, okay, let's have a look at it under the microscope. Let's have a look at that. Doesn't look great, does it, the soldering job there? Let's do the solid test. Not particularly solid. I don't know, they're not moving a lot. Oh, that one is. Oh, I just don't think this port's soldered on properly. Let's check the other side. For some reason it's got... Oh! That's even worse. Oh. Yeah, we've got, like... Yeah, these are all lifted. That one's right... Yeah, okay. I mean, maybe I could just resolder all these and it will work. Worth a go. Let's clean it up first with some isopropyl alcohol. I wonder why it's got connections on both sides. Is that normal? I suppose it's... Yeah, there's only half the connections there you would normally expect, isn't there? So we've got half on one side, half on the other. Well, we'll start on this side. This side doesn't look as bad. Let's see if we can get all these nice and solid. Solid. might look like overkill, but I want to make sure this is solid. There we go. That looks a bit tidier. We'll go with that. Let's just use the multimeter and just check they are going where they need to go. So that one is ground. That one goes to there, there. That's fine, it will carry on. That one goes to there. That one goes to that via.
I'm gonna have to assume it does, because I think that's okay. That one to there. That one to there. That one doesn't go anywhere. That one to there. And that one to there. Excellent!
Let's do the other side. I think we've got some breaks here, so I don't know whether this is going to work. Yeah, so that one's not getting there.
That one's not. Nope. That one is. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. And nope.
Yeah, okay, well, that's probably why. Oh, do you know what? If I have to run jumper wires, it's not the end of the world, is it? Let's put some more solder on and we'll see. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that one. Oh, or that one now. You know what? I'm going to have to run jumpers on all of these. Because the tracks are moving. Right, let's see how we get on with that. Do the sides. Well, we need at least one jumper wire. Right, that one. I think they'll be alright. I'm not happy with that one. And I'm going to run a jumper wire on this one. So I'm going to do it from that one and that one. Just to make sure. And then I'm going to put some solder mask, I think, over all of it. Right, as usual, making a mess. Nice.
Solid. 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 Wonky. Solid.
Just dry it off and put some solder mask on. Nice. Right, before I put this back together, one thing I didn't do, and I probably should have done, was look at the pins inside here. Yeah, they don't look great. Are they bent? I did say it didn't fit in. It didn't seem to fit in very well. I don't think any of these are in properly now. These ones are on the bottom. None of these are, apart from that one and that one. Right, okay. I think I might have to change the port, but I'm not going to have a port that looks like this. No, I'm not going to be able to do it. They've all been pushed right to the back of it. What am I going to do? Right, I'm going to take this off because it's completely knackered. There's no point leaving it on. I'm not even sure this is going to come off now. I've put the solder mask on. We'll see. It came off. Right, now I need to undo all the work that I did earlier.
Voiceover Steve to the rescue. Rather than put you through about 8 hours of extremely painful scraping, wicking, soldering, and swearing, I think it's best if I just give you a rundown of what happened. Trust me, it's for the best. So, removing the solder mask, and then the solder underneath, left the pads looking like this. Yes, really quite horrific. This idiot then thought it would be a good idea to strip down an old HDMI cable and thought he'd actually be able to attach it to the end of the circuit board with tiny wires and solder mask. Well, it did actually work, but it still didn't work, so it didn't really work. And then this happened. Lol. The aforementioned idiot then thought he'd strip down the other end of the HDMI cable, but rather than solder tiny wires to the pads, he just used the original wires and solder them to the board. Let's pick it up where this disillusioned buffoon is soldering on the HDMI wires, and enjoy the horror.
Nice. Come on. Wow. I'm not going to bother with solder mask because I can't be bothered. There's literally no point because all I'm doing is testing it. There's a couple there that are missing. Those are no connects or grounds that I don't really need. I don't think. Don't know. Don't care. Let's put it back in the case just for fun. It'll look good. Right, let's get this over with. Let's get the disappointment over with. Here goes. No way. Oh, wow. Wow. Right. What do we do with this? Oh, nice. Let's play an action game. What's Mario 14? That sounds interesting. Let's play Mario 14. Super Mario 14. That's an actual thing. What the hell is this? They've not done a very good job with the music though, have they? I'm stuck! How do I get over there? I don't think anyone's going to argue with me on this. That's a stupid game. Shut up!